All right, we're at the 715 South 24th Street project. So we just passed the foundation inspection. So what that means now is come Monday, hopefully it's not too cold, we will be pouring concrete and getting the foundation poured so that we can start framing Thursday. So with that, this will be, I think I said in the other video, this was going to be 9. This is 10, number 10 for us. So we right now have 10 active builds with multiple more coming, and it's just super exciting. So like I said, Monday we're going to start pouring, and I will update y'all then. Looks pretty good though. Heck yeah.